Hey guys, got a 2021 plate Toyota Corolla here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the screen on the dash in front of the steering wheel and the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. First, make sure your engine or your ignition is switched on. And from here, we're just going to scroll to the right until you have the settings icon with all these, and then scroll down until you get to vehicle settings. Then click in OK on the steering wheel, or sorry, hold OK. Then it should come up TPMS, and from there press OK again. Now you want to make sure your tyres are pumped up to all the correct pressures, so you want to do that before this really. Then once you know you've done that, press OK or hold OK on set pressure, and it will say setting tyre pressure warning system, and that's it.